Hi, sir. Welcome to Twisted Grip. How may I help you?
You got a second job?
Huh?
You got a job?
Yeah, man. I stay busy. Stay busy. Working hard. Working hard. How can I help you, sir?
I need a diamond stitch seat at your cost.
At my cost? Dude, I got you. I got you. Got this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another week of Shifting State and another episode of Twisted Grip. Let's go inside and see what we got going on today. I'm sure Chris is hiding around here somewhere. Chris, where you at?
What?
What are you doing? What are we working on, buddy?
Only customers allowed past that line.
What line?
The line that said $35.
Son of a bitch.
What's up, buddy?
What you working on?
My scooter.
Your scooter?
Yeah. My scooter.
Yeah, it's a pretty scooter you got there.
Put it back together before you see what's going on.
Oh.
How was your intro?
It was okay. It took me like 50 million tries. I'm sure I still fucked it up. Your little shop assistant just took off running.
Yeah, he doesn't want to be on camera.
Awkward. You want to tell everybody about your scooter, man?
It was a 2012 Dyna switchback. I call it FLD. Got the 103 6-speed twin cam. Some other goodies in it. Go fast parts. And it's blacked out.
Typical Harley.
Yeah.
Might have a chance to keep up with the Roadster.
I'm going to do something fun today and take my speakers off because I don't use them on my motorcycle.
Yeah. That's what we have an exhaust for.
Yeah.
That's the only music you need.
Put them on there for my girl. Now she has her own bike.
Are you going to put speakers on her bike? No.
Not at all. Nope. You see, I have a torque wrench in my hand.
Just for show.
No, this one is actually not for show. I have a lot of people call me, and they have a really hard time getting these bolts out. They're like, what kind of magic do you use to put them together? Well, I use the proper tools. They go down to Harbor Freight and try to buy a torque spit. I'm going to educate you on this too. See this? It is not a star bit. It is called a torque spit.
Or they call it the T-bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, T for torque.
47, whatever. But I get that all day too. My torque, my star bit doesn't fit.
Bill collectors.
No. Description. I won't put this on camera. This is the description of this guy. Don't put that. Not answering the phone.
Wait, hold on. Hold your phone back up. Let me call you real quick.
Right?
He said, "Don't put that on camera."
Oh man. All right, so that's done.
So who made this?
Isn't that cool, man?
It's pretty. I know.
A friend of mine owns a machine shop and does them for me. When I do a special project or something, I'll make that for a customer. I probably should make some more of them and sell them, but just kind of a one-off thing.
Yeah, go do what you gotta do. I'll pause it. All right. So, let's see. So we got Chris on the phone right now. He's answering a couple of phone calls, whatever. I just want to go ahead and talk about what we're doing here. So last week, Chris helped me with my tire situation. You can get me changed out. For those who missed that episode, you can check it out on YouTube or on our Facebook page, of course. But what we talked about, what we want to do is we want to do like Twisted Grip episodes. So that's why I'm here. That's what we're doing. Trying a new direction with the channel, and I hope everybody likes what we're doing. I think it's pretty cool. So Chris's shop is out here in Amelia, Virginia. Pretty good shop, pretty good guy. Does great work, fun to get along with. I met Chris a couple of months ago, 2-3 months ago, and what we'll be doing out here is just doing videotaping the work and crazy stuff that goes on here out the shop. So let's. Oh, hey. Yeah, I am talking to myself, man. I'm telling everybody. I already told them. You know what's up. I tell them how we're doing these Twisted Grip episodes.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a little soap opera.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be videotaping the crazy
Is it
stuff.
recording?
It is.
By the end of it, like a soap opera. You cannot wait to the next episode. What kind of drama will we have today?
As the wheels turn. So you got both of us in it? Are we both in it? Do I look fat? How do I look?
I want to look fat.
PHAT.
Alright, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
So you gonna start this or I'm gonna start?
We're saying welcome back? No, because we never left.
Yeah, we never left.
Okay guys, it's Saturday the 13th, October 13th. It's my mom's birthday, by the way, so say happy birthday if you get a chance. We're at a local event here, listening to some music, gonna have some food here shortly. Of course, I'm selling helmets and tires and helmets and hats and shirts. So if you're in the area, come see us. Now to Tim.
Yeah, like you said, we never left. It's different day, same episode. It's Saturday. Twisted Grip is out here selling hats, helmets, shirts, all the good stuff. So we're out of the shop right now and promoting out here the local event.
I want to add, we're going to be doing a ride here shortly. We want to get everybody in the Shifting State family and the Twisted Grip family together to go for a ride instead of just hanging around talking trash. Let's go ride. It'll be posted soon. We'll do something.
All right, who's in the Toyota 4Runner doing 90 mile an hour on 288?
Today? Today? Was it today? Because it's my wife, it's today.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I guess she's on her way out here then.
She should have been here because where she passed us. She should have been here before us.
Oh, I don't know where she's at then.
Yeah, she should have been here already.
So Chris is talking to that guy.
She went, woo! I mean, I did the wave, you know, but
Talking about our t-shirts. Make sure you stop over in Amelia, Virginia and pick up $20. Front, back, good stuff. That one's mine. You gotta get your own. You wanna show them the hat?
Oh, here's one hat style. Got a couple different, here, turn around right there. A couple different things. Come get you some. What am I supposed to say now?
I don't know, just make it entertaining. Yeah, so I'm gonna give Chris's t-shirt guy a call and get my own Shifting State shirts made. They'll be out soon. You'll be able to pick them up at Twisted Grip Shop out in Amelia. Like Chris said, we want to get everybody together and do like a local ride rather than the meet up in the parking lot, sit around, bike show, cruising, whatever. The point of owning the bike is to get out on the road and ride, so that's what we want to organize.
Yeah, he doesn't wear it.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? I won't even wear them out.
All right, so Chris and I, we're gonna wrap everything up here. Stay tuned till the next episode and see what we get into next. Later. So with that said, that's gonna wrap things up. Next time.